Hello everyone, welcome to the pamphlet. Often we have heard about rising unemployment in India. This allegation of unemployment or berozgari is often thrown up against the constant growth of Indian economy and the government. But the latest quarterly periodic labor force survey data seems to burst this narrative. According to the PLFS data released by the National Statistical Office on 18 November, the unemployment rate in urban areas among persons of age 15 years and above decreased from 6.6% in July-September 2023 to 6.4% during July-September 2024. This is the lowest figure recorded since the start of PLFS data in April 2018. Furthermore, a surge has been recorded in the labor force participation rate and the worker population ratio. The labor force participation rate or LFPR in urban areas among persons of age 15 years and above has increased from 49.3% during July-September 2023 to 50.4% in July-September 2024. FYI, LFPR is the percentage of persons in the labor force that is working or seeking or available for work. Meanwhile, the worker population ratio or WPR in urban areas among persons of age 15 years and above has increased from 46.0% during July-September 2023 to 47.2% in July-September 2024. WPR means the total percentage of employed persons in the population. According to experts, a rise in WPR indicates a surge in economic activities and hiring by MSMEs. Notably, this was the second quarter straight decline in the unemployment rate for urban areas. In the last quarter, it stood at 6.6%. The released data shows that the unemployment rate for females was also at a record low of 8.4% this quarter. For males, it inched lower to 5.7% from 5.8% a quarter ago. The NSO has been publishing the periodic labor force survey since April 2018. Ever since the publishing of this survey, Indian policymakers have developed a better understanding of our labor force. Furthermore, the NSO data has also acted as an answer to the critiques of Indian economy and bursting the charges of jobless economic growth. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.